I haven't been on the G7X in a minute, so tonight I'm gonna make a video on the G7X. Try to get as much action as I can. It's probably gonna be one of the last meets of this season because it's getting cold outside. It's currently 42 degrees, and this meet's still going on. So, as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Subscribe, get me to 1,000 by the end of the year. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. The good folks at Applebee. Oh, wait. I'm going too fast. Always got a sport mode and can't move without it. So apparently the cops are here already. That's a little early. Still going over here, so I'm assuming the stuff's still going down, I guess. I don't know. Say no more. He said it's mine. He said it's mine. You good.
Put the seat back, get a Laffy Taffy if you want.
He said get a Laffy Taffy. This man accommodating. Yo, so it's still on the, I always wondered that. Where first gear was, like, cause it's on this side now, yeah, but it's still on the same side.
That shit comfortable as fuck.
Yo, that's crazy. Y'all wanna see a review on this?
Stock.
We might as well do something on this. Oh, you gotta get him right. Get him right.
I got my respect there.
This joint is
right hand drive joint. Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
You got the sauce with the right hand drive or no?
I've never driven a right hand drive in my life.
You never driven one?
Never.
Go ahead. Whoa. Go ahead. Hold on.
This is
recording, man. Jermaine's first steps.
Oh. I ain't gonna stall it. I ain't gonna stall it. We gonna go this way.
This recording? Is it recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Oh, alright.
Yo, this is crazy. It feels so weird. Go front. Yo. Thank you. He got a nice head. Thank you.
All your signals is on the right, by the way.
Oh shit.
You can turn on the light on the right too.
I'm gonna just go this way. Yo. Alright, ready. Alright, turn it. Cool. It's where I lost it already.
Oh man, I couldn't find the first thing. That would have been RP training. You turn on the lights if you want.
Alright, where
My man about to run over this thing. Yo, stop. Oh shit.
My bad.
Yeah, bro,
where they at? Where them Joe's at?
Right on the right side. Just flip the little corner thing.
Alright.
You gotta tell him to put on the wiper blades.
You get a second try.
So how you feel about letting him drive your car?
Hey man, he doing good. He alright. He need some practice, but
We're reverse.
He a legend in my eyes. He a YouTube legend in my eyes. Like, I let him slide if he fuck up my shit.
Am I in reverse?
Yeah.
Oh, never. We ain't never gonna stall it.
Never. Oh shit.
I got it. I'm close. Come on. Good look, bro.
You already know, bro. No problem.
This shit's crazy.
I'll let you practice a few times so you can do a pool.
Oh shit. Well, y'all heard the man. Y'all heard him. Drive his $50,000 Type-R.
Integra Type-R.
Integra Type-R.
Right.
My bad. Thought the viewers would know. Come on. definitely about to
What are you doing? Why are you coming over here?
pull a move. I remember last time they did this. Yo.
You sneeze.
You had a baby in the cart. Get out.
You sneeze. You got
You stopped at the gas station. Get out.
I'm trying to figure out what this man
I
did.
seen on there though. A nigga was defending his girlfriend and got
Pulled out the key so
Damn.
fast, bro. Hold up.
We didn't even really get started.
niggas gonna start drawing.
Yeah, it might be time to go.
Guaranteed they gonna draw.
Oh my God, look at the eclipse.
What is this? What is this shit?
Don't park. Oh, we got, he plotting.
Who plotting?
Boy right here, this officer. Well, hopefully he doesn't follow me out. That's probably what's gonna happen though. Which would be very unfortunate. I'll send you my location if I'm ahead.
I'm gonna follow you.
Alright. Meet was supposed to start at 9. Look what time it is. Come on, man. What are you doing? Oh. Grab it.
He's about to get locked up.
Who about to get locked up? Not me. I'm a ride. I'm a. You can't get locked up for that. It'd be mad unfortunate to get locked up for loitering. Meet got shut down in 30 minutes.
Hey
30
guys,
minutes. Probably even
meet.
quicker. Yo, that's crazy. Oh, oh, got another one. Let's see what everybody got. Get on that. Oh my God. Spot number 2. We successfully touched down. Alright, that's it for the night. Pretty good night. The meet got shut down in like 30 minutes. Saw some other stuff. I would say a successful night for one of the probably one of the last meets of the season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Get to 1,000 by the end of the year. Browse the channel for more, share it, and most importantly, have a good night.